I'm gonna be preparing Ghana Shitto, and I'll be making use of onion, garlic, ginger, and spring onion. I'll add in water to blend until smooth. As soon as I'm done, I'm going to turn that inside a pot. And I'm going to boil that until it thickens up. And in another pot, I'll be frying some shrimps and meat. I've cut them into small chunks. Now fry until they become crispy. Ensure they don't get burnt. Otherwise, they're gonna change the taste of your shito. And I forget to add that I added in dry rosemary, and that's why we have the darker shade of the paste now. So I blended that and I added it in later off camera. So I'm still boiling this. You can see there's still a little bit of water in there, so I actually want to ensure all form of water is taken out. So I'm done boiling, frying the shrimp, and I'm frying the meat now. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to take it out, and another thing will be done in the pot. I'm taking out the chunks of meat now. I'm fine with what I have now. They are well fried and crispy. And don't forget, don't let them get burnt. If they get burnt, they are gonna give you a bitter taste in the shito. So I turned in the oil into this pan after I've scooped out the paste, and I added extra oil. Shito actually need a lot of oil, so I added in tomato paste, and I'm going to fry that until well fried. You know, I'm going to fry well, and I'll add in the paste. I actually learned this recipe on this street. Yeah, I learned it on YouTube street from a Ghanaian chef channel. So, and ever since then, I never stopped making it. It is so good that you actually make it all the time. You can use it to eat various types of eggs. Okay, you can actually use to make roasted yam, rice, beans, and lots more. So in here, I'm going to be adding the one I have made initially. This, there is no shrimp nor meat inside it, so I'll add everything in together and the fry. And as you're frying, don't forget to keep stirring. You stir a whole lot of time because you don't want it to get burnt. And another tip I'm going to be sharing with you is ensure you cover it up. And whenever you want to stir, turn off the cooker and allow it to settle a bit before you turn the cooker on again, and ensure you cover. So I added in my meat stock, salt, and seasoning cube. As you can see, there are splatters all over the cooker already. So the mistake I made here is I didn't turn off the cooker. So when you are doing yours, ensure, because there's going to be a lot of splatters, ensure you turn off the cooker. I added crayfish powder, pepper flakes, shrimp, and fried meat. Then I added in coconut oil. And let coconut oil be the last thing you'll be adding, so as to maintain this kind of unique taste in heat. Allow it to fry for more time on low heat, but ensure you keep stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. This will enable it to last you for a long period of time. Alright, if you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up. And until next time, enjoy.